Namaste all, this is Prakash. Welcome to Prakriti Nestam. In last video we discussed about how to repot, how to separate and repot seedlings of tomatoes, chilies. Of course, same way you can follow for brinjal and all other seedlings which are sowed in a single pot with multiple seeds. Whereas some seeds like bottle gourd, angle gourd, bitter gourd, or beans, etc., they can't be sowed as a bunch or several seeds in a single pot and separated, because these are all very succulent root system based plants or seedlings, and if you disturb the seedling roots of the seedlings, then there is a high chance of losing those seedlings. So here today I'm going to show you how I sprout and pot bottle gourd seeds. So these are the bottle gourd seeds I have sprouted using Ziplock poly bag and tissue method. So this is the result. Now how I start doing it is I pack them in a tissue paper and soak them in water, hot tap water, for 12 hours, and take all the water, filter all the water. Yesterday night I soaked them, and now these are the seeds in the packets. See, okay. So what I would do is like this. Use a plain tissue paper, folded a couple of times, and place those soaked seeds taken from this and spread them without touching each other. Then lock the zip, place it in your refrigerator or in a cupboard, and keep checking for any sprouts come out like this. So once these seeds sprouted like this, we need to pot them in this kind of fruit tray as a start. Of course, later once true leaves come, then we can pull each cell along with the soil, repot in a little bigger seed, and then after a couple of weeks I normally keep repotting them into next big size of pots, so that the root system grows well, and the new potting mix or potting soil gives more energy to boost their growth, to get the seedlings stronger for planting them outside once last frost day is crossed. Right, so now I would gently pick each seed which is sprouted, These are very succulent. You need to be very careful. Take them and place them very loose. So I need to tell you, I have used the potting mix, same potting mix, yeah, and packed the potting mix very tight. See, and then I place this like this. See, very gently. You have to handle it very gently, and don't worry about the inclination. You can see it is very fresh sprout. You can keep them lying in the cell like this. See, another and one caution is, as soon as you sense it as seeds are sprouted, then better you pot them like this, otherwise these roots will be tangled each other, and then again there is a chance of losing their life. I have used 10 seeds, and luckily I got 10 seeds out of 10 seeds sprouted. So we can proudly say our battle gourd seeds are 100% germination capable. So this is how we need to use it, or we need to repot it. So coming back to the earlier process, I have this, see, so now I would show you how I made this or how I put them in the zip bag. I wrote with a ball pen ink paper, ball pen, so that the ink won't be spread out. So round green anaba, I write it. Anaba means it is with battle gourd. So now I would do like this, little bit distant. These are given by a friend. So this is how we can place them in poly bags. I'm managing with the label as well. So this is how we can place them, and then lock the zip. Here you go. You will get more seeds coming out with sprouted. So I keep checking it is visible. I don't need to do much to cross check whether any seeds are sprouted or not. See here, this is how you can check. Even if you can see these are little blown out or little bigger in size than the original seeds, means they are ready to germinate as well. So all in all, this is how the process is. Once we place this, check for sprouting, take them into a bowl with a tissue, put them gently here, close them with the extra tissue, and then pour gently some water and rinse them, so that if there is any gummy kind of stuff formed with the seeds, they will go off. That will go off, and then we can plant like that, and the continuing process is just gently pour the potting mix. You don't need to press, or you don't need to do anything with this soil spread on top of it. And see, if a seed grows like this, very gently take care of it to touch the soil. Rather leaving like this, I would just give the seed little, and I'm just spreading. I'm not pushing down. I'm just trying to just spread.